Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And you're probably like, wait, this isn't our jam. When we watch Jam, she's up in her room. And she's not in her room anymore. Don't worry, things are going to go back to normal. But my cameraman is gone. So I have the substitute on right now.
A ghost.
Yes, and he's laughing at me as we do this. So, yeah, I hit my 1,000 subscribers that day my husband goes out of town. So, for work. So he will be back soon. Once he is, we will do the, I'll show him on camera, and I'm also going to do my giveaway, my 1,000K that is coming. But, I just was going to do the filming for it and everything when he was here. No offense. And and so I do have an unboxing for you today though. So this is one of those new items that came from the Coach lines that just dropped. And I ordered something. I had to have something from here. I couldn't not get it. Already I'm a little surprised at the size of the box. Now I know I think it's Winnie who used to talk about she'd buy all this stuff and all of a sudden she'd get the items and they were really tiny and she had thought they were like a normal sized item. No, okay, I shouldn't say normal size, that's a pretty relative term, but she thought they were like a little bit bigger and then sometimes they turn out to be mini. That's kind of like what I'm thinking with this. Although when I unboxed my Marley, I thought that was in a small box too, but the bag turned out to be about the size I thought it was. So this is directly from Coach. It did come with a dent in here, but hopefully the bag is okay. And I'm just, I know I have to get an opener or, you know, like a little box cuttery thing. I know, I've had a few of you tell me that now, because I'm sure I don't make anybody nervous at all while I got the scissors right here. And I'm trying to open this. Okay, so we're going to set it down. We're going to just, all right, there we go. So we're going to do, oh, everybody's a critic. Okay.
Should have the tape company sponsor you with how difficult it was to pull apart.
Right. So, here we go. I'm going to open this up. So it's from Coach. It is my Coach item. Okay, and let's see here. It's got a nice little hard paper and a nice little Coach. And let's see, I got a little thank you for shopping at Coach card. Then here is the item. Bum-ba-da-dum. Can you guess what it is? So there was a couple different ones to choose from, a couple different items, and I picked this one, and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted until I saw the chain on this one. And then I'm like, oh, yeah, this is the one I'm getting. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. I got this little Coach Tabby in the silver. Let's see if it says what it's called. I never know the name of my bags. I'll put it down below, but I think it's like a small Coach cabbie in the silver. Just look at this. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. So the chain, because I was talking about that, is just this metal. Look at that. It's like it was made to open these. I'm so good at that. So it's just this metal chain here, but I just really, really liked it with the bag. But look at this. Oh my gosh. So the back does have a slip pocket here. Slip in there. Then the front has a little push lock opening. You open it up. There's lots of packaging. Lots of packaging. Why put in one silicone pack when you can put in 4? So this is basically a glorified wallet on chain. I guess it's just a mini bag. The interior is like not really a microfiber, but it's gray. It has one internal slip pocket here. You also could put something behind the Coach. The Coach tag is, it's kind of hard to show you, but it's in here. You probably could put stuff inside there too. I'm just pulling out the stuff here. But I just mainly wanted to unbox this. It just came in the mail. And, okay, it dents easy. Just, there we go. But it rubs out too. So here we have it. This is the new silver, like small tabby. I'll look up what it's called. I'll put it in the description box below. I'll also put the chain on here once, just quick, so you can. Well, maybe not quick, but as quick as I can do it. Here we go. So it's crossbody, easily crossbody. You can look and see. It hits me right about there. So I'm a big girl and it still fits nice. Also has this little chain or wristlet thing here that obviously is not attached yet. But there you have it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing because I have some other stuff coming too, and just wanted to get this one out though because I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna do a close-up here. Again, so you can just see it in all its glory. There's the back, the side, the bottom, the top. Look at that. So that's my unboxing for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I am going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I would say that's going to be the plan is to have the video about it. I'll reveal what the Tiffany item is, and I'll reveal how to enter the giveaway. I plan to have that for Sunday's video. So this coming Sunday, I should have that. Please leave a comment down below. I love when you put comments. I love interacting with everybody, getting to know everybody just a little bit. I really appreciate that. And you can find me over on Instagram. I'm at James Jam over there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.